Hello, First Baptist Choir. This is going to be a quick tutorial over Planning Center and how to use Planning Center for our Christmas production this year. I'm going to show y'all where to find the music and how you can get the music and the tracks up on your laptop. So I have the desktop version of Planning Center pulled up right now, and you'll go to Plans first. That's going to be the easiest way to get to it. So I've got both of the services on here, but you'll go to Special Events and go to the December 14th Christmas program. So you'll just click on that, and then it'll pop up the order of the songs. So everything is in there, even the first instrumental song that we've got, even down to the closing song, which I think you guys are doing as well. So you can go in here in just one second. You can go into each song and find all the files for that. So that's going to be the music files, the audio files, and for the different instruments as well. So if you're an instrumentalist, you can find that here as well. So you'll click on the song, go over to files, and then you all, if you're a choir, you will look for the SATB piano PDF. So you can pull that music up there. That's one easy way to find it. You can scroll down until you find your part. You should also be able to download that music if you so choose, if you have an iPad. Another really awesome thing to do is use Planning Center's app called Music Stand. That is it's separate from Planning Center, but you can access it from services if you're using on a laptop. So you'll go up to the top, hit the music note, and then go to Music Stand. So it'll take a second to download all the music that you all are using, and then once we get in there, we'll have to go in and select which file you guys want to look at. So right now it's pulling up the violin part, and we'll go down to the bottom here and select which PDF you want for your purposes. And it shows 2 pages at a time here on my laptop. If you have an iPad, it'll show 1 page at a time, and you can swipe. So you go click that down at the bottom, and then you'll select what part you want to use. So again, you all will be looking for the SATB piano. That's going to have your vocal parts on it. So you'll have to go in and select all of them on there like that. And then hit accept. And it looked like all of them were all at the very bottom. So I only did it for the first couple just to show you guys what to do. But with all of them, you can go click that, and then it'll reload. And it will take a second probably. And then all of your SATB, the choir parts are going to be here. So again, you'll see 2 per page, and then you'll hit the next button, and it'll go, or the arrow button, and then it'll show you 2 more pages. So that's pretty much how to access your music. You can also access tracks for this in the files I showed you before. You can also access it here at the top and hit Media Player. So the Media Player is going to pull up a playlist of all the tracks that exist. It will show you for each song, so you can select which one you want to play on your playlist. You should also be able to download those if you only want, let's say, the soprano track for your purposes. So that's just a really quick tutorial on Planning Center. Please reach out if you have any questions.